sheet, silicone gel sheet, and silicone and Medpore implants by Dr. Richa Patil from BJ Medical College, Ahmedabad, student of Dr. JHP Sachdev. Richa,
Hello. Good evening,
you can
teachers.
present.
I'll be yes, ma'am. Next slide, please.
Can we
So I'll
see
be
you?
presenting about this. Hello.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
No, can we see you?
So this is fine.
Good, good, good. Why I'm telling you? See,
Yes, sir.
I intentionally told my resident Likhita also and other, please present yourself in a presentable way. Wear your apron. Come to the seminar room. Connect properly. So that feeling of seriousness come. Otherwise, everything is given in online, YouTube. Everything is there. What is there? You have to mug up and. So that is why I'm because that feeling should be there that we are examiner and you are a student. So now that seriousness will be there. Okay, please go ahead.
Silicone gel sheet. It is comprised of safe, non-toxic, non-medicated silicone gel, and it is used as a first-line prophylactic as well as therapeutic measure for excessive and abnormal scarring. It is composed of silicone polymers prepared from silicone oxygen combination along with organic chemicals. It's available as pre-sterilized and sterilization. Next slide, please. So, silicone gel sheet is used for scars, and more importantly, often we use it before scarring proceeds to an irreversible stage. So, it really after remove the area scar, and the area has to be cleaned. For the application should involve sticky side of the sheet so that there is no gap or contamination between it. It is started by applying about 3 hours per day and gradually increased to 12 to 24 hours per day, and advised to continue for 1 month to 3 months. So there are various mechanisms suggested for the one is hydration, water loss, and collection. There is it maintains a temperature in the it is also scar site. There is increased oxygen tension, so hypoxia induced excessive angiogenesis that is in the voice
Voice is breaking.
Dr. Richa, your bandwidth appears to be low. You just discontinue your video and just present orally. Bandwidth appears to be low where you are sitting.
Yes.
Yeah, just this. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Is it
Yeah.
fine now?
Yeah.
Should I repeat,
It's
sir?
fine. Carry on.
No. Carry on.
So advantages of yes, sir. Advantages are that it's easier to apply, easily available. A patient can apply it themselves and manage accordingly. If it gets dirty, then it can be cleaned and reapplied. And the scar, the hypertrophic scar, there are less chances of it developing. The drawbacks, however, are that sometimes the patient are not compliant or it cannot stick well to certain contoured surfaces. Next slide, please.
Next slide, please.
Hello.
Okay. Carry on.
Yes. So another dressing material is a collagen sheet. These are collagen dress commercially derived from animal sources like bovine, porcine, or even human amnion. They are reconstituted by a series of chemical and enzymatic reactions. They're available. It's also available as foam granules and are sterilized with ethylene oxide or gamma radiation. The collagen sheets are specifically preserved in isopropyl alcohol and water solution. Next slide, please. Collagen is when using a collagen sheet, it's commonly used for first and second degree burns, especially scald burns. Usually used within first 12 to 24 hours when the wounds are relatively clean. It can also be used for donor site from where skin
Skin graft.
slit taken, partial thickness wounds. Should be removed. Blisters should be de-roofed. For the sheet, it is thoroughly washed in normal saline before application to remove the alcohol content, also and preservatives. Now, after that, the sheet is applied. The air bubbles have to be removed, and usually it's allowed to dry. After that, a secondary dressing may be given. While dressing for the limb wounds, it has to be taken care that circumferential application should be avoided as it may lead to compression. As and when the sheet dries, it can be trimmed, and usually dressing changes are not required if it's a very superficial burn. However, it can be changed by about 5 to 7 days. Mechanism of action are it inhibits the metalloproteinases and helps in decreasing the pro-inflammatory states and enhancing healing. Advantages are in easy application. It provides a collagen is a scaffold for collagen development. Also, in pediatric population, especially dressing changes can be reduced and it's less painful. Care has to be taken while using it in deeper wounds. It's not advisable, and for patients who are sensitive to animal proteins. Next slide, please. Silicon nasal implant. This is also made of silicon polydimethyl siloxane, and it's a solid form. The content imparts a hello imparts a natural feel when using it. Next slide, please. Yes. So various types are available either as a sculpted block where the carving can be done by the surgeon himself or herself, and a desired shape can be obtained. There's a liquid type where pockets are created and the liquid can be injected. Specifically for nasal dorsum, both shapes implants are available. There after creating the implant to be inserted. Similar L shape is available in direction of the desired. Consistency wise, there are also classes of medium and hard. Plant is take hard materials
Richa, your
used.
voice is not.
Yeah, let her
Hello,
continue,
is it
ma'am, because at least we let her continue because we are at least able to see the slides so that we can guide
Okay.
her the
Okay.
questions
Okay.
which are important.
Okay.
Yeah, continue, Richa.
not us and do not interact directly with the host tissues. They rather form a capsule surrounding it due to the foreign body reaction. These implants are available. Mainly for double augmentation rhinoplasty, especially when there is and also be used in combination with ostomies and autologous.
Actually, I think she disconnected. Uh,
Okay,
just
okay, ma'am. Let her come back. And anyhow, this was the last of this equipment. This set of the equipment means Medpore and silicon. She was telling some implants. So once she,
Yes, sir.
yeah, Medpore. Okay, Richa, you want to speak? Richa?
Actually.
I think she just disconnected. There was a pop-up message that she left the meeting.
Okay,
Most
then
likely her net would have gone.
for the sake of other PGs,
Yeah.
these we will now tell you what are the important questions or the importance of this set of equipment. So let us start with the first one. She's yes, Richa.
Hello.
Uh,
Richa, you can mute yourself. I will tell you the
Yes.
no problem. There is a connectivity issue. That is no problem. But at least your slides were there. Everybody will be receiving these
Yes,
slides
sir.
and getting the ideas. Don't worry. So these are the another set of equipment which are nowadays kept. Earlier they were not kept, but I think now these are available in all the centers. So let us start with the first set. That is was the silicon sheet. So when you show this equipment, the viva will go in the sense the silicon sheet versus silicon gel. Then the examiner will ask you everything about the process of scar formation, factors affecting scar formation, and then what are the various ways of grading the scar, how to monitor the scar, and then the examiner will ask you what are the various things can be combined with the silicon sheet or gel. There are medicated now silicon sheets are available. Then the viva will go towards hypertrophic and keloid. And once it goes towards the hypertrophic scars and keloid, then that itself is a chapter where you should be thorough in differentiating, managing, and classifying them. So this is all about the when the silicon gel sheet or the ointment is given to you as a student. Now, second set of the equipment which you showed was the collagen sheet. Now, once you show the collagen sheet to the examiner, then the examiner will ask you right from the classification of various collagen sheet, whether it is a powder, whether it is a wet, dry, and then the viva will go towards its application. And the most important is the burns. And once you go to the burn, then the viva will go towards the burns management and then its application, advantage, disadvantage, and then you can combine the silicone sheet with the various procedures like tangential excision and skin grafting. You can combine it with the other when you are harvesting the skin graft as a donor dressing. And then the examiner will ask you type 3, type 4, then the process of wound healing, other chronic wounds. So I'm giving you the idea. The moment the collagen sheet is given to you, viva will go from wound healing to burns and various phases and its application. And the third one you said is some implants. So now this is also an important thing because many patients, now the examiner will ask you the pros and cons of silicone versus medpore. How you will decide which one you will choose. What are the advantage and disadvantage of each one? Cost versus its reactions versus extrusion versus cost. So all these things, and these are ready-made implant which are nowadays available in most of the department. So you should be thoroughly uh, know, and not only the nasal implant, all kinds of facial deformities are being treated with now this kind of med pore implants and silicone implants. So this is all thing I have told you, which you should be mentally prepared. I'm not asking you to answer now because of the paucity of time, but be ready for these questions. Anything Dr. Atul wants to add?
I think you have covered most of the things, and the examiner is going to ask you what is like you are given silicon. Then what is the mechanism of action? You should know all the temperature increase, hydration, and the duration which you need to put in for. And similarly, these Medpore implants, as far as the facial use is concerned, they are somehow going out of vogue. You should be aware of that. That especially in areas like you have shown the pinna. So there are only very few centers which are exclusively using it, but most of us have faced a lot of trouble with these plants when you use it for reconstruction of pinna. So these things you should be aware.
Correct.
Yes.
I think we can go to the next set
Can we-
of the
next
equipment.
year.